Yo, what up, day and night gang? It's your boy AM coming to you with an unboxing video. Today's video is actually pretty cool because what we have here is the Super Nintendo wireless controller for the Nintendo Switch. It's a lot of words, but this thing here I picked up through the Nintendo store, and I always wanted to try it out, so I picked it up and I got it. And I'm gonna be unboxing it for you in a bit, and I'll let you know the quality and how awesome it is or how terrible it is, because my unboxings are always honest and straight to the heart. See you in a bit. We got a handy dandy knife right here to open up anything that stands in our way, and today what we have here is the Super Nintendo controller for the Switch. What is up? What is up? Yeah, boy. So you know what that means. We're gonna be checking out this bad boy and seeing how it works, how it looks, and how it's gonna be. Pretty cool, huh? So we get the front of the controller right here. It's in its packaging right there. It's for the online special. You can order this from Nintendo. It's about $25. It's pretty cool because it connects wirelessly to your Switch, and you can play the Super Nintendo games with the original controller, which is nice. So looks like we don't have to cut anything at all. The back of the box shows you how it connects via USB, and then play it that way. Charge it, or you can do it wirelessly. You can just charge it up also with the Switch adapter as well, which is nice. So what we'll do is we'll just open up the packaging and pull it right out. I mean, the packaging is pretty minimal. It's nothing too fancy. We have it in the traditional Nintendo red. We have it in this little black container. Keep opening this up. We'll just toss these to the side. Pow! Pow! Ooh, isn't this nice plastic? Look at that. And what we have here is a pretty cool USB-C. I love these cords so much. This is the Nintendo branded USB-C to USB-A cord. And what's really cool about it, it has Nintendo on there. Let me just get this little junk off of it. But if you look really closely to, like, right here, it'll say Nintendo on it, right there. You see that? It says Nintendo. You can barely see that from the backside too. And it's really nice. It's really thick. It's pretty long. I would say it's about 4.5 feet. It's good length. It'll plug into the top of the controller. It's USB-C, so you just plug it in any way you want, and then you charge it up that way, which is pretty cool. And then you plug it right into the dock. It's nothing too fancy, nothing too cool, and then you can play Super Nintendo games. Controller is really light. The buttons feel like a classic Super NES, which is cool. So if you want to get that old school feel where you're playing the old school retro games, this is the controller for you. Which is pretty cool too, is that they have like L and Z for you, so then you can, you know, if you need the additional bumpers, triggers, and stuff like that, you can do that as well. But it's pretty cool. But this is kind of what started all of the legacy of Nintendo. I mean, Super Nintendo is probably one of the best consoles of all time. I think it goes against anything that's come out today in terms of like classic hits. You had Link to the Past, you had Mario Kart. I mean, you can go on and on and on. Super Mario World. I mean, it had everything. Best version of Street Fighter, best version of Mortal Kombat. I mean, this system was super awesome. And this is the controller. And this is all that comes with it. It's an easy pickup. All you have to do is just go into Nintendo Online and then just order this up and have it shipped directly to your house. Let's get this out of the way. And then what we'll do now is we'll put this controller in the middle, and then we will add different things to it, like explosions, flames, what else? Outer space, underwater, smoke, bombs. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. So This is AMPM Adventures unboxing for you. If you like what you see, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you love it, sub it. And if you want to let me know what other things I should unbox on this channel, feel free to hit me up in the comments. Other than that, we give you a peace.